Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is eglwys, church. Eglwys, as in eglwys fach, little church. Eglwys, church.